Hi, this is Soumya Parma. This recording for milestone 2 CSC 588. My student ID is 2183364. First, I'll start the engine and start all the demos. And from pressing 1, it will start the demo 1. So, so now the demo 1 is ended, and now we'll start the demo 2 and by pressing the 2 key. So, it will start the demo 2. Now, yeah, see the demo 2 has ended, and now we'll start the demo 3, which is the priority table one. So by pressing the 3 key, it will start the. So demo 3 has ended, and now we'll start the demo 4 by pressing the 4 key. So demo 4 has ended, and now we'll start the demo 5, which is async one. So now the demo file is also ended, and now I'll quit the program pressing Q, and now I'll stop the program. So as you can see, the memory tracking is passed and it's a clean exit. So first I'll say in the game thread we are launching the audio thread here, and we are checking every update, we are checking the input process, and here we are checking that like from with key presses what demo to play. With key 1 I'm playing the demo 1. First it will execute to the load function. So in the load function here I'm loading all the wave files, different wave files required for this demo, and creating playlist for it, and this the calculating the loading time for the all playlist. And in the execute now I'm doing launching a print thread. So this is a thread which prints the start of like every 5 seconds prints the timer, what time is on the timer, as you can see in the output window. And next for every demo there is a different timer thread. So yeah, so next I have created like adding all these sounds based on the parts. So for first is part B, which are adding this fiddle sound. So I have created a command for this demo. So it takes in sound and volume and pan, and based on the type do a certain functionality. So I'm setting it all and playing and setting volume, pan, and everything. And based on the part, I am doing different functionalities. So part B is nothing to do, just setting left and right, and then center. And for part C, there are two parts, like one moving from left to right and right to left. So I am launching a pan thread which does that, and here you have smoothly moving from left to right here for panning, same for right to left. And this is the code for that, and this is like this for printing, that it should not print every iteration. uh, Next is this command is added to a time event manager, and this will be executed when exactly at this second. So this would be 6 at 6 second or 10 second, 15 second. Part D is the volume up and down. Let me show that. So I'm launching a volume thread here which does that, and here I'm first reading the volume and then adding the delta, as you can see, for volume down. So this is for that. Next is for part F. I'm adding all these three volumes and then stopping the first three, and then letting the eye play it. And in the end I'm just calling the kill everything command, which is basically kills if any active sounds are there, and remove all the waves and just dumps it and stops the timer. So next is the demo 2. For demo 2, which is the stitched one, so I'm just loading up the waves here and just creating a for this I've created a voice callback stitch. So I'm passing in all the wave IDs. So this will start on the intro first, and then it all will be stitched here on the like on the buffer end. So I'm just stitching all the wave IDs and the buffers in the buffer end. So as you can see, this is the code for that. uh, so next is just adding all these, changing the panning based on the different times. So every 10 seconds we are changing from left right, center left right. And next is, and the last we're just killing everything, like calling the kill everything command, which is deletes all the active sounds, or and the removes all the waves. For demo 3, which is the priority one, so here I'm just loading this wave ID called coma and creating a playlist for it. So I'm adding, as you can see, with different priorities we are adding it here. So in the debug window is also like if there is the same priority, and it will kill off the one which is the oldest, as you can see here, with the same priority in the 151, this is getting killed. So this is what happens in the this demo. So I'm just basically adding this is the command for that, and which basically just plays and prints the priority table and after setting everything. So yeah, and in the end I'm just killing everything. And this is for the demo 3. Next is the demo 4, which is the user sound callback, which is quite interesting. So this is like first in the load, I'm loading all the waves here, and here I'm just creating all the playlist and everything. So now here I'm adding all my user callback, sound callback. This is the class created, and this is the data which is required. So in the execute, basically it just prints from the sound, and this will be printed when the voice callback like at the stream end. So this is, sorry, the on this in the voice I'm just calling the execute function here. So this BL sound callback goes to a sound, and it will we are setting the user sound callback there, and then I'm just calling the execute function here. So when the sound ends, it will show like all the details about the sound as we handle or everything else, the volume or panning which I've set here. So this is the code for that. For demo 5, which is the uh, for the demo 5, which is the asynchronous load. So here, first I'm loading the first like the two waves and not the Beethoven here, and creating a playlist for it. And when the execute now, I'm adding a timer for like first just created a dem 5a demo command. So this command, what it does is uh, first it adds and plays this first electro, and then it loads the Beethoven, and I'm adding a user async load callback here, and then playing the alert sound. So this was mentioned in the PDF. So this is what I'm doing, and next is wait, demo. Yeah. So next in the I'm also calling I've created another command which just plays this alert again and again at different times, and when and now when it gets loaded, the when it loads the user async load, the Beethoven gets loaded. So uh, it will be showed here. Let me see in the output window. Yeah, so it will immediately start playing that, and as you can see, it will first get loaded, then it will a playlist will be created, and then it will be played here. And I'm just printing the priority table, as you can see here, and this is the output window for that. So yeah, so this is the demo for the async, and then in the end I'm just killing everything. So yeah, so this is the demo for milestone 2. Thank you.